Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Hopefully you all will be fine and doing great. So now we are going to read page number 23 and our subject is maths. Let's start. Kids, what you can see on this page? On left side you can see a number. You have read it yesterday. Will you tell me which number is this? This is 5. Which number is this? This is 5. Which number is this? This is 5. After reading it loudly, now come to right side. What you can see on this side? You can see some things on this side. Do you know what are these things? No, I will tell you. These are some means of air transportation. These are means of air transportation. We travel in the air with the help of these transportation and they take us from one place to another in a short span of time. Do you know their names? Will you tell me their names? No. Okay, I will tell you their names. This is parachute. This is aeroplane. This is airship. This is helicopter. And this is jet. After knowing their names, let's count how many means of air transportation are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many means of air transportation are here? 5 means of air transportation. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 means of air transportation are here. Now you will learn it. 5 means of air transportation. 5 means of air transportation. After learning it, what else you have to do? You have to join all these arrows just like you have joined on page number 22. Let's join them. So kids, as you know, from where we have to start the joining? From this dot, we will come down and then we have to join the upper line. Let's start joining. During joining, you will read in a loud voice. This is number 5. Which number is this? This is 5. Which number is this? 5. And it comes after number 4. It comes after 4. So if you feel that you have drawn a wrong line, you will trace it and then you will rewrite it. This is number 5. After joining this, you will join the upper line. Okay, as you can see, we have done the joining. Now what else you have to do? You have to join these dots just like you joined these arrows, and you will also read aloud which number is this. This is 5. And how many means of air transportation? 5 means of air transportation. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.